Focalin is a medication used to treat attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, by changing the levels of certain natural substances in the brain. It belongs to a class of drugs called stimulants and can help improve the ability to pay attention, stay focused on tasks, and control behavior problems. It may also assist in organizing tasks and improving listening skills. The recommended daily dosage and optimal timing for taking Focalin can vary depending on individual needs, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. The medication guide provided by your pharmacist should be read before starting dexmethylphenidate and each time you get a refill. Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor, usually twice a day with or without food. The first dose should be taken as soon as you wake up in the morning, and the second dose should be taken at least 4 hours later, or as directed by your doctor. Taking this medication late in the day may cause trouble sleeping, insomnia. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Your doctor may direct you to gradually increase or decrease your dose. Also, if you have used it for a long time, do not suddenly stop using this drug without consulting your doctor. The total daily dose is usually 20 mg or less. Methylphenidate and dexmethylphenidate are different medications and do not provide the same amount of medicine. Do not switch between products unless your doctor tells you to. Take this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same times each day. If you suddenly stop using this medication, you may have withdrawal symptoms, such as depression, suicidal thoughts, or other mental/mood changes. When this medication is used for a long time, it may not work as well. Talk with your doctor if this medication stops working well. Though it helps many people, this medication may sometimes cause addiction. This risk may be higher if you have a substance use disorder, such as overuse of or addiction to drugs/alcohol. Tell your doctor if your condition does not improve or if it worsens. Some common side effects of Focalin include trouble sleeping, nervousness, nausea, stomach pain, headache, loss of appetite, weight loss, or dizziness. It may also raise your blood pressure, so it's important to monitor it regularly and inform your doctor if it becomes high. Serious side effects to watch for include signs of blood flow problems in the fingers or toes, fast or irregular heartbeat, changes in mood or behavior, uncontrolled muscle movements, vision changes, fainting, seizures, or symptoms of a heart attack or stroke. In rare cases, males, including young boys and teenagers, may experience a painful or prolonged erection lasting 4 or more hours while taking this medication. If this occurs, stop using the drug and seek medical help immediately to prevent permanent problems. If you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing, seek medical help right away. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that misuse or abuse of Focalin can lead to serious heart and blood pressure problems, which could potentially be fatal. This medication can also be habit-forming and should be used cautiously by individuals with mental or mood disorders, as well as those with a history of substance use disorder. If you have a personal or family history of substance use disorder, be sure to inform your doctor before using Focalin. It's crucial to follow the prescribed dosage and usage of this medication, as increasing the dose, using it more frequently, or using it for a longer period than directed can lead to a decrease in its effectiveness, drug dependence, or abnormal thoughts and behavior. After stopping the medication, your doctor may monitor you for a while, especially if you have been taking Focalin for an extended period or in high doses. Always follow your doctor's instructions and guidance when using this medication. As always, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider for the best time to take Focalin and to understand the potential benefits and risks associated with its use. Before taking Focalin, it's important to let your doctor know if you are allergic to dexmethylphenidate or methylphenidate, or if you have any other allergies. This medication may also contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other problems. It's also important to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have high blood pressure, heart problems, mental/mood conditions, overactive thyroid, seizure disorder, or if you have a family history of heart problems or mental/mood disorders. Focalin may cause dizziness, and using alcohol or marijuana can increase this effect. It's important to avoid driving or using machinery until you can do so safely. Alcohol should be limited, and it's important to talk to your doctor if you are using marijuana. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If Focalin is used for a long time in children, it may affect their growth rate, weight, and final adult height. Your doctor may recommend briefly stopping the medication from time to time to reduce the risk. It's important to regularly check the child's weight and height and consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially trouble sleeping, weight loss, or chest pain. During pregnancy, Focalin should only be used when clearly needed, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. This drug can also pass into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. Drug interactions can affect how your medications work and increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Avoid taking MAO inhibitors while using Focalin, as it may cause a serious and possibly fatal drug interaction. It's also important to note that Focalin should not be used with medications containing methylphenidate. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain medical and lab tests, so make sure to inform the lab personnel and your doctors that you are using Focalin. As always, consult with your doctor before making any changes to your medication routine. If a person has taken too much Focalin and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call their provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include vomiting, agitation, confusion, sweating, flushing, muscle twitching, hallucinations, seizures, and loss of consciousness. If you or someone you know is experiencing any of these symptoms after taking Focalin, seek medical help immediately. It's important not to share Focalin with others as it is against the law. Your doctor may also require you to undergo certain lab or medical tests while taking this medication, such as blood pressure, a complete blood count, and monitoring of height and weight in children. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take a dose of Focalin, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's close to bedtime or the time for your next dose, then you should skip the missed dose and just take your next dose at the regular time. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Focalin, it's important to keep it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Make sure to store it in a secure place that's out of reach of children and pets. And when it comes to getting rid of any unused or expired medication, it's important to do so properly. Instead of flushing it down the toilet or pouring it down the drain, consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to discard it. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.